Welcome back to our What on Wednesday series. Today's image comes from the Goodyear Lumber Trail on the Dennis Hall Farm 2 miles southeast of Keating Summit in Potter County, Pennsylvania. Pictured in the image is a large load of logs stacked on approximately 20 rail cars, ready for hauling. This image also comes from William T. Clarke's collection, like many of our others. Atop the large load of logs, he has featured a dog and quite a few gentlemen. They are surrounded by stumps and a desolate hillside. Toward the end of his time in Pennsylvania, Clarke often documented the devastated, barren countryside, sometimes referred to as the Pennsylvania Desert, a term used by Henry W. Shoemaker, a notable writer and early conservationist. Hundreds of thousands of acres had been cut down, and there were no laws in place at the time to require loggers to replace trees. Thankfully, much of the forest has been regrown, and this area is now part of the Susquehannock State Forest. Let us know what stood out to you most in this image.